everyone, Michael Boy TV here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit on YouTube. Okay. To start out, you need to go to youtube.com. I usually do this kind of stuff sometimes on a computer, and then you need to click on your channel icon. And then click Creator Studio. Now I'm gonna add some end screens to one of my videos. And you press edit, and you have to be in your dashboard or a video manager, and then you go to end screens and annotations. I'm gonna add an element. So first I'm gonna have a template, and then I'm going to, it already has my channel right here, well, my channel icon picture thingy, and then I'm gonna choose my latest video, and you click add element again, and then I'm gonna do some more videos. And then I'm going to do one more video. Okay, there you go. Then you need to press save. And there you have it. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.